Amazon is an authorized retailer of La Roche-Posay products. La Roche-Posay Thermal Spring Water Soothing Face Mist Spray with antioxidants is essential for soothing face and body for sensitive skin. This water mist spray helps refresh and tone the skin. Thermal spring water is at the heart of most La Roche-Posay products. Its unique combination of mineral salts and trace elements has been scientifically demonstrated for its soothing properties and used in Europe for centuries at the Center of Thermal Dermatology in the town of La Roche-Posay. Naturally contains a high concentration of selenium, a powerful natural antioxidant, and mineral-rich microdroplets, which provides immediate, intense soothing. This facial mist spray is oil-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, additive-free. Face mist spray can be used as the last step in cleansing or first step in caring to tone and refresh skin. After a mild cleansing, spray 8 to 12 inches from face, then leave on February 3 minutes. Gently pat off excess spray without rubbing. Use as often as desired, at home, at the office, or on the go. Ingredients: aqua/water. Product packaging may vary. Refreshes, soothes, and tones. Antioxidant rich for sensitive skin, naturally rich in the antioxidant selenium, soothes and softens skin, guards against skin aging, suitable for both adult and children. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.